Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mockupart. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to edit any flyer in Canva using the amazing Magic Layer tool. Something we only have a JPG or PNG flyer, but we need to change the text, move elements, replace the images or customize the design with Canva Magic Layer. You can turn a flat flyer image into editable layer and make change very easily. So watch this video till the end because I will show you step by step how to upload your flyer. Use magic layers and edit the design like a pro. Let's start the tutorial. Go to Canva and create a custom size page according to your design. Then upload your design here. Just click on the design and adjust the page size according to your design. Fill the whole canvas and go to edit and select the magic layer tool. Just click on it. Now you can see all text are editable and all icons are movable. Look at this. You can simply edit any text. Now you can add any icon like a phone number. We can add a mobile phone icon. Just simply go to elements and right here call icon. You can select any icon here. Just simply drag it down and resize it. Change the color. You can add location icon. Resize it. Change the color. You can also Gmail icon. Add here, change the color. Add their website icon. go to shape, add a line, you can also add a QR code. You can also add more icon for looking better the design. Now look, our design is ready to use. You can change your company name, any headlines. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you understand how to edit any flyer in Canva using Magic Layers. If you found this tutorial useful, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel Mockupart for more graphics design, mockups and Canva tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.